All right, man, here we go.
I'm looking for a better outcome than last time.
We're looking for a better outcome. Here we go. I think we got this, man. Let's go.
Ready?
Yeah.
I gotta start recording real quick.
You gonna do record?
Yeah.
All right, sweet.
All right, recording. Wait, loosen it.
It is. Yes. Go ahead.
Wait, what's the speed?
You're doing great, man. It's as loose as I can make it.
I'll just move it.
You're killing it, dude.
Oh,
Can you keep going out or no? It's okay.
all right.
Dude, yeah, you're doing great, man.
Drop,
No, go further.
drop. Oh crap.
You're doing great.
I think I know the problem. I'm gonna have to take it back in, okay?
Okay.
Wait, just let it hang, okay?
Okay.
I have to go into settings.
We're doing great here. This is good so far. Owen, you're doing a great job flying this. What did you have to do? Increase the speed?
No, I had to make it so it could fly farther out.
Okay.
There we
Oh,
go.
there you go.
Pretty easy.
Wow. Keep going. All right, I'm gonna drop.
All right, drop.
Yeah!
I'm gonna send it back.
All right, you mean to catch it?
Let's catch it up there. Let's go, cat.
Dude, way to go, O!